In space at night, the Strait of Hormuz looks like a moving river of light. Nearly 20 million barrels of oil pass through this narrow corridor every single day. A critical lifeline of the global economy. But today, this lifeline is under growing threat. Rising tensions between Iran, the United States, and Israel have turned this region into one of the most vulnerable energy corridors on Earth. Modern warfare has changed the rules. Advanced missiles can strike from long distances with precision. Low-cost drones, small, fast, and difficult to detect, can reach deep into critical infrastructure. Oil fields, refineries, and storage facilities are no longer secure. Recent attacks have already caused billions of dollars in damage, forcing shutdowns, disrupting supply, and sending shockwaves through global markets. And when a strike hits, the real danger begins. Pipelines rupture, flammable gases ignite, fires spread within seconds, explosions follow, turning industrial sites into disaster zones. In these moments, time is everything. Without immediate intervention, a single incident can escalate into a catastrophic chain reaction. Ocean Submarine has developed an advanced fire safety system designed to stop that escalation before it begins. The system detects fire and gas risks instantly, activates automatically, and suppresses flames within seconds. Even in the event of damage caused by missiles or drone strikes, it continues to operate through fail-safe mechanisms, reducing fire, limiting explosions, protecting lives and infrastructure, because in the Strait of Hormuz, every second matters, and preventing escalation is the key to protecting the world's energy flow. Amid the escalating conflict involving Iran, critical energy infrastructure has become a vulnerable target. In this case, an oil and gas installation was struck, triggering a chain reaction that quickly spiraled out of control. As the fire intensified, the facility's protection systems were overwhelmed. Gas and oil leaks couldn't be contained, continuously fueling the flames. Residual oil in the pipelines accelerated the spread, igniting nearby sections of the plant. At the same time, explosions knocked out critical safety systems. The HF water mitigation system lost communication, and backup power failed. Without remote control, the water cannons, meant to contain a toxic release, remained offline. With every passing minute, the situation escalated, revealing just how fragile industrial safety systems can be in times of war. How the safety system works. The safety system injects water and nitrogen into the pipes at strategically selected points in the oil and gas installation. This freezes the installation over part of its length, so that an ice pack is formed. Freezes the installation. The freezing prevents or stops leaks and stops the flow of hazardous substances. The way in which the water and nitrogen are injected is customized to meet individual requirements. Sometimes it's sufficient to spray water and nitrogen so that a longer section of the installation reaches a frozen state. Sometimes larger ice crystals are needed to achieve a rapid and local effect. The pressure under which the two substances are sprayed is also tailored to the customer's individual needs and can reach up to 380 bar. By getting the leakage under control as quickly as possible, the submarine can still carry out its tasks. In addition to fire and explosion incidents, the new system can also be deployed in situations where oil and gas installations lose control of their propulsion. In such cases, they may move uncontrollably like a rogue projectile, posing a serious risk of damage to other maritime vessels and slash or bridge pillars. For example, if a bridge section is rendered unusable This can result in long-term damage to critical infrastructure. The innovative fire safety system developed by Ocean Submarine is also highly suitable for use in critical and sensitive environments, such as data centers, energy facilities, the oil and gas industry, and shipyards where maritime vessels and submarines are constructed. Unlike conventional fire safety systems, this solution tackles the hazard directly at its source, effectively preventing the escalation of incidents.